This annual general meeting of West Africa Telecommunications Regulators Assembly is very apt. Particularly, this is the 18th annual general meeting, and we are happy that the meeting is taking place here in Nigeria. I want to also use the opportunity to commend the effort of the board and the management of Nigerian Communications Commission under both Professor Adeyolu Akande and Professor Umar Garba Dambata for hosting and coordinating this event on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria. The ICT sector, or telecommunications subsector, is becoming very relevant to global economy. Many nations today leverage on ICT or telecommunications subsector to develop their economy. And it is the same in Nigeria, that as it is today, the performance of the ICT sector and the telecommunications subsector is the best in the country. The growth rate of ICT in the fourth quarter of 2020 is 14.70%, followed by agric with 3.41%. So the performance of ICT sector is more than 4 times the performance of the second fastest growing sector, that is agric. From second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh position, their performance collectively, all the 6, is not up to that of ICT. Based on the recent report, the 2020 performance of telecommunications is up to 15.90%. So this meeting is very important, knowing that telecommunications has been playing a significant role in our economy, in Nigeria, in West Africa, in Africa, and even globally.